Hi. So, as you know, EEC is providing you 3 months live coaching for DSAT course. In these 3 months, EEC not only giving you mentorship for mathematics and verbal section of the DSAT exam. 2 months coaching includes comprehensive, creative, innovative way of learning mathematical concepts, verbal reasoning concepts, and strategy. But also, it includes 1 month full practice of 17 AI powered mock that we provide. Yes, you heard it right. 17 AI powered mock facility is only available at EEC and nowhere else. In fact, to the best of information that I have, we are the only one who is giving you access to this 17 full length test. And the software is made by the world's best company that EEC is in partnership with. So this is one of our student. She has completed all the 17 tests that you can see here in two different window. That was the first window. This is the second window, 17 full length test. And you can see here it shows you the timeline, date and time at which she took the particular mock. These are the scores: 1350, 1420, 1350, 1420, 670 in reading and writing, 750 in math, 1410, 1360, 1460. So let's review the diagnostic report that software is providing post completion of mock to our student and how helpful it is. Let's find out. So 1460 is the overall score that the student got in a mock, 770 in math, and 690 in verbal. So view report, click on that. So now you can see that we are now reviewing the entire diagnostic report that the software is providing. See, these are the tabs. Overview. We are on the overview screen right now. Then it will provides individual sectional analysis for reading and writing, math, to enhance your skills. It is also providing the practice data, and it is AI powered. So how AI function? It is mentioned here in the software. So this is the analytical report for Urshita's test. She targeted 1550. That's her target score. And she got 1460. That's her actual score in the math, in the mock. So in math, out of 1460, she got 770 out of 800 in math. And out of 800 in reading and writing section, she received 690. Uh, the software is also providing you to uh, select the university that you're targeting in which you want to apply for a particular program in particular intake. She has selected Stanford. By scoring 1460, software is suggesting that it is hard to reach there. It requires more score. But software is also providing you the idea about the university, UPenn, Cornell, Dartmouth. These are the universities which can accept this score and issue you the admission. So the overview screen, first part is showing you these things. Now let's see the score distribution chart. It's a bell-shaped normal distribution curve. Student score is 1460, and software is assessing that it is higher than the 99% of the students who have written this test. Yes. So only 1% of the student have secured more than the score that this particular student have secured, which is 1460. It's here. And she has beaten 99% of the student for this particular test. It is also giving you ACT score conversion. 33 ACT score conversion is equivalent to digital SAT score of 1460. This is the official conversion chart for ACT to SAT. Next, These are the test result, overview screen, section wise, reading, writing, module 1, module 2, math, module 1 and module 2. In math, she got only one incorrect, and still her score is not 790 but 770. In verbal, she got 1, 2, 3 incorrect in the first module, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So altogether 8 incorrect in two modules, and her score is 690. Overall is 1460. So it shows you the question number and the status of the question, whether it is right or wrong, for each of the four sections, two for reading and writing and two for verbal. Now, here is the interesting part. This is the incorrect answer. Click on that. So it will take you to the window of that particular question. This was the question. She selected this B choice as an answer, but the correct answer is A. Now you can see the explanation part. It is reading and writing module 1. This question type is words in context question type. The student spent 1 minute and 12 seconds and got it incorrect. But at the same time, the software is showing you that for this particular question type, you can review digital SAT practice test 1, question number 1, 5 and 3. For test 2, it's question 3, 7 and 5. For test 3, it is 8, 1, 3, 4. So it is basically integrated solution that software is analyzing the question type, showing you that this is incorrect answer, this is the right answer. The question types is word in context, and Blue Book, the official guide for DSAT. These are the book-based test and the question numbers that you should refer and practice. By referring these questions, you can master this, and next test onwards, you will not make an error in this particular question type. So this is how software is providing you the training. Uh, this is the question 6. Same goes here. Choice D is the right answer. Choice C is incorrect. And here it is providing you official guide. Set practice 1. Only one question is there. Question 1 of that matches this style of question. So this is the overview screen again that you can see. Now let's review how it shows the math explanation. So the student got one incorrect, question number 19 in module 2. Click on this, it shows view explanation. Go on that. So question 19. Yes, this was the word problem. You have to read the text, set the equation, calculate it, don't make calculation error, and click the right answer. So 14.40 is the answer that she chose, which is incorrect. 16 is the right answer. And just like verbal, it is providing you the test and the question number from which you can practice this similar type of question and you can improve your score accordingly. So let's go back to the overview screen. Now it will also show you the individual section wise performance analysis. So reading and writing, she targeted 750, she scored 690, and she has beaten 94% of the student. Only 6% of the students secured more than her score in reading and writing. Time management, so she saved 7 minutes and 13 seconds. The test time was 64 minutes. She has finished the entire reading and writing, both the modules, in 56 minutes and 46 seconds. Therefore, 7 minutes and 13 seconds saved. Software is analyzing the pace is good. And now you can see the screen. You have 54 questions in two modules, 27 questions each, and she's spent 56 minutes answering both the modules. This is the most interesting part. It is showing you question wise data, that on which question, what amount of time that you spend. Not only that, uh, you can see the explanation as well. It will also take you to the same window that we previously visited. uh, Question 1, question 2, question 3. Here on question 4, she spent roughly 1 minute and 12 seconds and she got the wrong answer. Over here, a student spent around 2 minutes and 13 seconds, and after that she got the right answer. So this is the actual time that the student took question wise in reading and writing, both the modules. See, the first module ends here on question number 27. Second module begins from here, question 1 to question 27. So time wise idea. You remember, friends, you have only on an average 70 seconds to answer one question, and in some question you may take less than 17 seconds. As you can see here, only she took only 15 seconds. Over here, the student took only 29 seconds and get the answer, whereas here students spent almost 2 minutes and got the answer. So average time is 70 seconds. After spending 70 seconds, if you have no clue, it is advised that you click the random answer and switch to the next part, next question. Otherwise, your test will be unfinished, which will be negatively impacting the entire score. The another thing is areas of improvement. So these are the areas that software is testing you: words in context, transition, form, structure, and sense, command of evidence, rhetoric synthesis, boundaries, central idea and details, command and evidence, inference, text structure and purpose. These many areas that software is testing you, and it is showing you weakness in it. So in words in context, transition, form, structure, and sense, this particular student is having highest difficulty. So 33% answers are incorrect in in particular words in context question type. 25% answers were incorrect in transition question. There is only 1% error over here. So 99% she's through with this. So these are the top three areas that the student need to work: words in context, transition, form, structure, and sense. Uh, we as a teacher, mentors, we can also review each and every student's performance and we can guide them accordingly. So this is the reading and writing section detail. Let's go to the math part. Same, she is targeted 800, she scored 770. Uh, and wow, she has beaten everyone. None of the student has secured 770 in this test. Okay, so she's the highest scorer. It means the test time is 70 minutes, 35 minutes for each module, and she has finished both the modules in 41 minutes, 42 minutes. She saved 28 minutes, and still she is the highest scorer. Time management window, 22 questions each module, 41 minutes she spent, and this is the time management screen. So she got question 19 wrong. Clicking that, you can go to the explanation page right away. This is the explanation page that we have reviewed already. Now we're back to this page, and the area in which that student needs to improve, 50% weakness rate is word problems. And top three areas, according to the software, word problems, equivalent expressions, and exponential expressions. So, overview, reading and writing, math section, practice. Let's watch that. This is the practice. Let's meet the AI. How does the artist work? Artist is powered by the advanced AI technology, a product of over 8 years of rigorous research. With just our mini test, you get a swift estimate of your final score. Opt for full length test and you receive a more comprehensive analysis that we have just reviewed. They are claiming that we are not just about scores, though. By digging deep into the performance, the diagnostic report reveals both your strong points and the areas that need a bit more attention. So, how does this AI work? Just solve few questions selected by AI, get the AI generated prediction for the remaining questions, and give them a shot and check your accuracy. So this is the best solution for the DSAT student that we can provide. Okay, and this particular software company is ranked 87 recently in Time magazine. So world is recognizing that, and very few people in India is providing this kind of solution to their DSAT students in terms of mock. And we're proud that EEC is one of them.